So you're getting ready to burn your first fire. Today what we want to talk about in this video is why get your fireplace cleaned and then what to expect during that process. I'm Steve May, I'm the owner of Chimney Works. We have serviced over 50,000 clients and we've been around for over 20 years, proudly servicing the greater Cincinnati area. Why get your fireplace clean would be fire safety, removing the creosote, and then if there are any repairs that need to be made to your system, that those repairs are made before having your first fire so that everything stays in the system and keeps you safe. And the second thing we'll talk about is what to expect during this entire process, start to finish, so that you have everything that you need to feel comfortable and safe about using your fireplace all through the burning season. Fire safety starts and ends with removing the creosote from the system so that there's no fuel to begin with, so that you do not have a chimney fire. Chimney fires result in over 4,000 home fires a year. Our goal is to make sure that the fire stays where it's supposed to. Every time that you start your fire, fire produces creosote. As the fire burns, the smoke goes up throughout the system, and the smoke actually collects to the inside of the fireplace system, which starts to create a buildup of creosote. What we need to do is to remove the creosote so that there isn't any fuel for the chimney fire. One reason to get your fireplace professionally cleaned is the equipment. The first thing we have is a HEPA vacuum with 3 filters, which is what allows us to keep the dust in the fireplace so that it doesn't get into the home itself. The next thing we have are the different kinds of brushes, everything from a soft brush to a hard wire brush to a flat wire brush, depending on the type of creosote in the system. It will remove most forms of creosote. There are forms of creosote that the brushes do not get out, but your chimney professional would bring that to your attention if and when that does occur. Another reason to get it professionally cleaned is after the soot is out of the system, the house stays clean and dust free. The last part is the video inspection. By putting a camera through the system from the bottom throughout the entire system, it allows us to see everything that's going on in there. This is the most important part after the creosote is removed, to find out if there is any damage inside of the system. So as the camera goes up, it has the ability to rotate 360 degrees, look up and down, look at every flue tile. It looks at the mortar joints and it looks at the whole system to make sure everything is sealed and tight, to where when you burn your fire, we can give you a clean bill to say the smoke is doing exactly what it's supposed to. It's originating at this stage and then it's exiting the top of your fireplace to give you peace of mind as you burn.